Hello, YouTubers and fellow lock enthusiasts. It has been a grip for real. But I am hyped to do this video. And when I grabbed this out of the car, I finally get the time to do this video. I've been hyped up about it for like 3 days. Unsure what lock I'm going to try. Grab one out of the car. And now I'm seeing that this is not a cam lock. I wanted to try a cam lock. This is actually a disassembled payphone lock. Which, I mean, hey, it's not a problem. I don't know if it has security pins in it. It does have top and bottom pins in it. It is restricted to clockwise movement, which is not really ideal for picking. I'm going to try to make it happen. Let's go here. I'm going to try to make it happen in a timely fashion, even though, let's see, how long has it been since I picked a Medeco anything? A couple of years. It's been a couple of years. Really only been picking for emergency stuff. Hear the cat being super needy. Let's start checking the rotation on some of these before I get distracted by the cat. Someone else is going to have to handle it. Is it center? Not center. Alright, pin number 3 is binding. It's not center. We're going to try to rotate it forward, I believe. At the same time we lift it. That was shit. Off to a good start. I don't remember what this is supposed to feel like. I haven't picked a lock in months. I got my Sparrow's Mace pick here in with some pry bars the other day. It got me hyped up to do this like I'm a real fucking picker again. I failed to pick a master lock, a lockout master lock, black one, for 3 days straight. Finally got it twice. This is feeling okay. Finally got it twice. Fuck it, let's do a Medeco, right? Okay, center's definitely not where it's at. So, pull, pull, pull. Forward. Alright, what's the next binding one? Not number 2. Number 2 is soft as shit. As unusual. Number 1. Are we going to pull center? We're going to go center. No. Feels like no. Feels like I'm stuck in a false groove. That's what that felt like. Number 2 does have some tension on it now, though. Let's give it a shot at center. Ooh, sounding pretty good. Alright, let's try number 4. Also good. So now I have 3. Now I have 3 pins that are close. Which means 1 or more of them is stuck. Let's go with a Peterson diamond. 1 or more of them is stuck in a false groove. Let's try. There we go. Hey, so this one is going to be, first pin is at a aft rotation. Second pin, let's try aft again. That'll do it. Wow. I'm shocked. I'm shocked I was able to feel out that lock. Man, I forgot. This is like a rush. That was like a rush. This thing is poured out. I'm pouring it out. Get on there. All right. Oh man, so lucky. I'm lucky that grabbed. Okay, and okay. Well, I'm not going to be able to use a large plug follower because I was afraid of this. That piece of the latch is going to stop me from pushing a large plug follower through. I have this one, which I'm going to use now. To hold it in the sidebar. Wow, it's been a long time since I took apart a lock. Like a seriously long time. Oh, yeah, well, I forgot to mention this part of the plug that rotates, so presumably you can't grab it and twist attack it. Wasn't really helpful. Didn't hinder the process that much either. Here you can see the sidebar depressed into the pins, not really super able to read the rotation. Let's just go ahead and put in the key. And check it out. I don't remember what I said while I was picking. I believe I said aft, forward, and I don't remember anything on the last one. So yeah, it is center. I didn't just get lucky. I would take either one, truthfully. So let's go and got the whole thing. Fuck it, why not? I don't think there's any security pins in there as far as drivers are concerned. Man, I wonder if you could make it super crazy. I've never put anything but the mushroom drivers into one of these. Pretty cocky about this whole experience right here. Just a little payphone lock, ain't no thing. Stainless steel, brass. Could be, nope, it's not anything. And another stainless steel. Should I I'll fucking take out the springs, why not? Just get it all out there. This last one don't want to come out. Well, it's kind of seen a better day on the one end there. So I've been back on key picking. I've been watching some of the YouTube videos. Really incredible production value. I don't recognize a lot of active members, but I'm sure I'll get there. Just trying to see what I don't know, what I missed out on the last couple of years. Well, I haven't been keeping up with it. Worried about other things, you know. Yeah, we got security features on the chisel pins of the biaxial, the false grooves that I was talking about, that I was definitely stuck in on pin 1 and 2. Alright, hopefully I didn't have too much dead air. This video has been watchable. Let's see if we can rotate these to show off some of the features that I'm sure everyone has seen plenty of times. The flags are making it difficult. The flags on the other side. Fuck it. The pin down there. This key really works well as a very shallow pin tray. Alright. Let's go ahead and find the key. There are the pins. I did manage to show none of the false grooves that I was talking about. Show the shot sidebar with its springs. And wow, I'm just really so hyped to do a video again. And I have some materials on the way. Gonna be making some picks again. Have some tools ordered from Sparrows. Hopefully they keep my attention long enough. I have really high expectations for some of the Monstrum tools. But anyway guys, thanks for watching.